This is Ian, author of Twitter in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to unfollow people on your Twitter timeline. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. Here is a Twitter account that I run. And the easy way to start unfollowing people on your Twitter account is just when you come to your timeline, click on the 3 dots icon next to an account. It says More, and then just click Unfollow. And so it will say you unfollowed that particular account. And you could just keep on going through and unfollowing the people who you follow. One other thing another way to do this actually is to go to the profile and then just see a list of everyone you're following. So here are the 85 people I'm following with this account. And what I could start to do is if I find somebody that either they haven't tweeted in a long time or I'm not interested in seeing their tweets anymore. Like, let's say that these are actually good accounts that I like. Okay, so let's say Harvard Box Office. I'm tired of following them. Just hover over the following button and then click unfollow. And you'll be prompted, do you want to unfollow them? And then you say yes. And if you decide you change your mind, just click cancel. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to in30minutes.com, you can see the book that I wrote about Twitter. It's about getting started with Twitter. It explains some of the concepts behind Twitter and also how to get more out of Twitter. Thank you so much for watching.